Good morning, students. Today we'll be starting the new chapter, Coordinate Geometry. As you already know, we have studied coordinate geometry in class 9th also. You know the horizontal axis is called x-axis and the point on the horizontal axis, that is x coordinates, are also called abscissa. Similarly, the vertical axis is called y-coordinate and the points on the vertical axis is called y-axis and the points on y-axis are called y-coordinate. Then y-coordinate को हम ordinate भी बोलते हैं. Now, in this chapter, we are supposed to find the distance formula. Distance formula means distance between any 2 points, say A and B. We are given 2 points A whose coordinates are x1, y1. You know the x coordinate is written first and then we write the y coordinate to define the position of any point. Now these 2 points A and B are given in this plane. We draw perpendiculars from A on the x-axis and from B on the x-axis at points R and S. Similarly, we draw AC perpendicular to BS so that this triangle ABC becomes a right angled triangle. Now what is AC? AC is nothing but RS because these are all parallel lines. AC is equal to RS and R point is, this is the x1 point, यानी इसकी पोजीशन जो है R x1 डिनोट करता है और S point x2 डिनोट करता है. That means O से R का distance, OR distance is x1 and OS distance is x2. Therefore, AC is nothing but RS, that means OS minus OR, that means x2 minus x1. Similarly, BC is BS minus CS, B, that is y2 minus y1. Y coordinate of C and A is y1. So by Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, we have AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Now what is AC square? AC is x2 minus x1 का whole square. And what is BC? y2 minus y1 का whole square. Therefore, what do we have? AB is equal to, we will take under the root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula which you have to remember. इसी पे based हम कुछ questions ले लेते हैं. ध्यान रहिए क्योंकि ये डिस्टेंस है, सो वी हैव टू टेक ओनली द पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. रूट के बाहर जब हम निकालेंगे वी हैव टू टेक ओनली पॉजिटिव वैल्यू बिकॉज इट इज डिस्टेंस. नेगेटिव वैल्यू इज neglected. Let us take one of the questions of your exercise. For example, you are supposed to find distance between 2 points, say 2, 3 and 4, 1. Let us name it as A and B. So what is AB? It is this formula you have to write x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, where x2 y2 are the coordinates of B and x1 y1 are the coordinates of A. तो यहाँ B के coordinates 4 हैं, तो 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. What do you get? 4 minus 2 whole square means 2 square 1 minus 3 means minus 2 whole square. This gives you 4 plus 4, that is 8. And under the root 8 is nothing but 2 root 2. So the distance AB is 2 root 2 units. I hope you might have understood this application of distance formula. By applying this formula, you can find any distance. Let us take one more example. Suppose you are to find the distance between 2 points, say P is AB and Q point is minus A minus B. Now what will be the distance PQ? It is, again you write this formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now what is x2 here? It is minus A minus x1 A whole square, y2 minus B, माइनस फॉर्मूले का और b है y1 का होल स्क्वायर, होल अंडर द रूट. What do we get? Minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square under the root. This gives you 4a square plus 4b square. 4 common, a square plus b square under the root. Now when we take this out of the root, तो 4 तो बाहर निकल के आ जाएगा and it will be 2. पॉजिटिव वैल्यू ही लेंगे हम, डिस्टेंस है और रूट के अंदर रह जाएगा a square plus b square. I hope you have understood the application of distance formula. By applying this formula, you can now solve exercise 7.1.